My name is Mohammed Jai. I am a senior project manager with Vector Systems. I am here to do an expert talk. Currently, right now, I do have a project that's ongoing at Las Vegas, which is a retrofit project for a nuclear power plant, which is huge. It has to deal with multiple different companies that we're working with to execute the project. It has a lot that is included in the project, which we have to communicate not only the project scope, but also the technical aspect of the project to different companies, also our engineering team here. So the scope of Vector, our typical bread and butter, APCU, pump skid, and unloading station. However, we do have other items on the project that we subbed out to different companies. We have communication going between the customer to us and also going out to the companies that we are working with our engineering teams, procurement, also execution team, which is fabrication and assembling team. Vector System is big on first safety and also quality, right? Everything we do, we stand behind our name. That is building it according to specifications, building it according to what the customer is paying for, but most importantly, we want to build it safe. We want to make sure we're abiding by the highest quality possible. So there is a lot of oversight going on. We have an amazing quality team. We have a QA, we have a QC that work around the clock on every single project and making sure that we are executing according to specification and we are meeting the quality side of it. So we stand behind our products. Some companies actually prioritize profit over their people, over the quality that can be produced, but Vector doesn't do that. Vector focus on quality, Vector focus on safety, and also executing the project to make their customers happy. Typical lead time for project right now is actually great. I'll start with the smallest, let's say an unloading station, which is typically not that big. So we typically build that within 6 to 8 weeks. It's fast. We make sure we build it according to the qualities, according to the specification and the drawings. And of course, our quality team do an amazing job. The good thing about Vector is the PMs are at site. When stuff is being built, the PMs can go down in the fabrication floor and check what's being built. One of the things that I really like about custom manufacturing is because it's almost never is the same build every time. I started as a design engineer and then moving up to being a project manager. I love design. I love to build stuff. It's really critical to have at least engineering team close by or a PM close by that has some technical expertise that can oversee production, fabrication, that is welding or assembling, to make sure they are building it according to specifications. Because it's always better to catch it early than to catch it late or down at the side if you already ship it. For our customers out there, one thing that is different about Vector is that we stand behind our quality. We stand behind our product. Anywhere you go, Vector System always delivers on time, and we always make sure we deliver according to the specification of the project and we make our customers happy. Anywhere in the world, it doesn't matter, national, international, local, you have a skid, you have anything that you want to build, Vector is your company that you should go for.